Hello, my sweet friends. Today I'm not going to come on video, but we're going to do something a little different today. Faith is not believing God can, it's knowing God will. That was the one quote that I read over and over and over again while I was praying on something to happen. My big move. I wanted my move to be smooth and transitional, and I haven't changed my chalkboard since I got here. Okay, as you can tell, I am starting to prep. And I know a lot of people ask me, how do I do my chalkboard? So I wanted to show you the process, and I've obviously sped up the video. And this is a judgment-free zone. So please excuse my appearance. It was Saturday afternoon. I was cleaning the house, and I was really motivated into changing my chalkboard. And guys, I'm using what I have. I'm using some Crayola chalk that I found at Michael's and some children's chalkboard chalk that I found at Michael's, because that's all I found. But I am on the hunt to find proper chalk pencils, and hopefully I will soon. So, okay, we're not going to let a Monday get away from us. On my channel, every single Monday, we declare what we want to come into our lives. And we take all that negativity and we throw it out the window. And I say this every Monday. Mondays are the greatest day of the week. You spent last week worrying about something. Something was heavy on your heart. Something was bothering you. It's Monday. It's a fresh new start. It's a fresh new beginning. And I'm telling you, if you keep your faith strong, amazing, miraculous, wonderful things will happen. Declare it in His name and watch Him go to work. I mean, it is amazing when you see God's hand in something that you have declared, that you have asked Him for, because His promise to us always comes true. Always come true. It might not come on our timing, because we like to rush stuff, but His timing is perfection. Girls, guys, whoever's listening to this out there, I know we're all suffering. I know our world is gone cuckoo. There's so much going on in the world. It's a really trying time for all of us, but we have to stay strong in our faith. And I hope that you find something to always be thankful for. And that's why I'm doing this chalkboard. Because I wanted to remind myself and all of us out there that there is always something to be thankful. Even the smallest things. Even the tiniest little things. A lot of people say, oh, well, I can't do a chalkboard. Of course you can do a chalkboard. Do you know how simple this is? This is what you need. You need to go and get yourself an old scrap piece of plywood and go to your local thrift store and find yourself a cute frame, antique frame. Get a can of chalkboard spray paint and get some chalk, even chalk from the Dollar Tree or Dollar Store, wherever, and be creative. Use your God-given talents, because we all have them, and I know we do. And just be creative, have fun, enjoy it. Enjoy the process. Put on great music and, have a coffee beside you, your iced tea or whatever it is, and go ahead. Decorate and draw or put your favorite scripture up, or, copy something off of Pinterest. A lot of people do that. I like to do it freehand, obviously, but a lot of people do like to copy off of Pinterest. And I know that you have it in you to do this. You made it this far into the video? Good. Okay. So, down in the comment section down below, I want you to tell me the one thing that you are the most grateful for. And I want you to make it really, really interesting. And I want you to dig deep this week and think about it. We're all grateful for our friends and our family and our children and our health. Absolutely. But I want you to dig deeper. What is that one thing that God gave you that you are so thankful for? Me personally, I'm thankful for you guys and my daughter. I say this all the time. She is the greatest gift that she truly is the greatest gift that God ever gave me. That is what I'm most thankful for. I'm always thankful for her. She saved me, guys. She really did. She really saved my life. And it's a really long story. Some of you know, some of you don't. But Angela is everything to me. And you guys also. Thank you. I can't even express how thankful I am that you allow me to make videos like this, to show my creativity, to share my life with you and my home, and let me come into your homes every week and share our love for decor with each other and our creativity, and allowing me to even just do this chalkboard and you watching this video truly means the world to me. So I really, really, really want to thank you. And I am very thankful and grateful for each and every one of you. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to let the music play because it's almost at the end. And remember, there is always something to be thankful for. So have a beautiful and blessed week ahead. Have a fantastic Monday. Always remember, Monday is a fresh start to a fresh new beginning, and amazing, miraculous things can happen in an instant. So enjoy your Monday, enjoy the week ahead, and I will see you on Wednesday. Bye, guys. Love you.